Hey guys, I'm Emily, the Drone Angel, and welcome to your one-stop shop for everything drone related. I'm an FAA licensed drone pilot, a drone expert, and a drone educator based in California, but I've worked on projects around the world. My passion is flying, and I'm really excited to share this passion with you on this channel. On this channel, you can expect to learn everything you need to possibly know about drones, commercial and recreational. I'll be sharing drone product reviews, flying tips, drone news, certification advice, and drone photography tutorials, as well as in-field demonstrations of various job opportunities out there in the drone industry and interviews with drone professionals. On this channel, I'll also share the highs and lows of this industry as I personally grow in this ever-evolving field. So if you're at all curious or interested in the drone world, be sure to click subscribe below and join this growing community.